Welcome to today's video. This is an hourly chart of Euro and Japanese yen. I will be teaching you how to easily apply trend lines and profit greatly from the financial market. I have two questions for you. How easy is it for you to identify trendline positions? And the second question is, how profitable is your trading, especially using trend lines? I'm sure you're aware that these trend lines can act as a support or resistance for market prices. The difference here is that these trend lines are diagonal lines, while your usual support and resistance levels are horizontal. In fact, most of your favorite chart patterns are made up of these trend lines. So, these lines are also important in the financial market. You can get good entry levels using them, as well as exit points. When prices are on a trend, they obey these diagonal lines. Now, let's make use of these trend lines. Before you apply these lines in your market chart, make sure you closely observe it, because only its validity will yield good profits. If you don't apply this the right way, it would cloud your judgment and result to losses. Remember, the more prices a trend line touches, the better. So, it's always okay to readjust these levels till you get the best position. For this line to be considered valid, multiple prices must react to it. This is one of the ways you can draw this line. No matter where you place the level, the most important is that it touches more prices highs. If you noticed, these level influence pullbacks in the market. From here to these other places. In all these, there were indecisions in the market. Observe how prices reacted. Next, let's check out other possible levels for this trend line. Remember, what matters is that it touches more highs. This level seems to be more accurate. Market prices reacted here and these other levels. In all these places, prices initiated pullbacks. And this level captured more price actions than the previous. Have you seen that you can place this level at different positions? So, always take your time till you get the best possible level. At this level, you can also draw a trend line and check if market prices would obey it. So, here becomes the lower trend line. Some market movements can accommodate double trend lines, which result to a channel, while others can either accommodate a lower or higher trend line. For breakouts, the lower trend line is considered for an uptrend, while in downtrends, the upper trend line is used. Here is another way to draw this. Starting from here, take it up and make sure it touches more prices. You can adjust here. The more prices this touch, the better. Starting from here, prices reacted at these levels. Always adjust if needs be. These also act as a good support from market prices. The reactions here are the benefits of using trend lines, because price actions at these lines can trigger good long or short positions. In our next video, we will be looking at the trading strategies using these trend lines.